Hey guys, tonight I'm driving the 2022 Honda Civic Touring. We got smart entry. I love that beautiful welcome. Such beautiful lights. I love the design it has there, guys. Full LED hazard lights. And these are LEDs, but these are not. I wish it would have matched. That'd be awesome. Let's do a wireless charging test. Works perfect. If you see that car in the middle, guys, I'm holding the brakes right now, and if I release them, the lights go off. Press them again, lights go back on. And that applies to indicators as well, and as well as the front lights. I just turn on my front lights and it turned off there too. This is how the navigation looks at night. I have my phone connected. This has Android Auto and Apple CarPlay wireless. But I have the phone connected because sometimes when it's on wireless Android Auto, the audio tends to be a little bit skippy. So to avoid that, I just plug it in. And last video I made for this daytime POV, you guys didn't really get to enjoy the Bose sound system. But in this drive, you guys will. So I'm gonna go for a Econ drive, guys. I'm not gonna try to drive this car too aggressively because it's brand new. It's only got 237 miles, So it's brand new. I'm gonna test out the Econ on the rain and the auto stop and all that, and most importantly the Bose sound system. Reverse camera. It's got all these sensors right here. Let me back further so you could see. Brightness level. Steering, very soft, very leathery. The auto stop, guys, you have to apply the brake fully and the auto stop will engage. So now I'm gonna release it. If you don't apply the brake fully, the auto stop won't work, guys. Just a little quick acceleration there, guys. As you can see, it's raining. And it's on Econ and it responds very well. It's very torquey at low RPMs. And I'm sorry about my keys you keep hearing. They're in the door side compartment and they're all over the place. But let's test out the Bose sound system. They got several tracks here so you guys can enjoy how beautiful this Bose sound system sounds.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
as you can hear, guys, one of the best sound systems ever. The quality of this sound is just amazing. Very crisp, very clarity. The bass is absolutely amazing, guys. Absolutely wonderful. This car has a little bit of road noise, but the Bose sound system complements for it. You don't hear anything outside when you have the Bose system on. And this is what this car is about, guys. This car is about comfort. It's not about speed. It's about fuel economy, tech, a bunch of technology, all these sensors and all this stuff, guys. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.